Hi friends, in this video we will tell you some interesting facts about Anushka Sharma, the bold, beautiful and gorgeous. She is an actress and also a film producer and she works mostly in Hindi films. In addition, she is the ambassador for multiple brands and products. In addition, she has designed her own line of clothing for women, which is called as Nush, and she supports various charities and causes, including gender equality and animal rights. Anushka Sharma is married to Indian cricketer Virat Kohli. She was born in Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh and she was raised in Bangalore. Anushka Sharma had made her acting debut opposite Shah Rukh Khan in the highly successful romantic film Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Her highest grossing releases came with the sport drama Sultan, Rajkumar Hirani's religious satire PK and biopic Sanju. Anushka Sharma was born on 1st May 1988 in Ayodhya. Her father, Colonel Ajay Kumar Sharma, is an army officer and her mother, Ashima Sharma, is a homemaker. Her father is a native of Uttar Pradesh. Her elder brother is a film producer, Karnesh Sharma, who earlier served in Merchant Navy. Sharma has stated that being a military brat played an important role in shaping her as a person and contributing to her life. She originally intended to pursue a career in modeling or journalism and she had no aspirations to become an actress. However, later on she got the chance to become an actress and today she is considered as one of the most successful actresses in the Bollywood.